Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today we are here to do an unboxing with the beautiful collection Cut Loose.
Welcome lovelies, Cut Loose is in the house. There's a lot of Cut Loose fans amongst you. This is your day.
This is our first shipment, right?
Our first shipment.
Our spring shipment. Very exciting.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah.
I've seen it. I had a little peek in the box and it's pretty. I'm excited to show it.
Yeah, it'll be nice.
And style it.
And we'll style it up. Yeah, I think it's nice to show every piece styled, hey? Mix and match together.
Yeah, you seem to like it. You tell us you like that because it gives you ideas, right?
Mm-hmm. But you told me a funny story this morning about Charlie. I think you should tell the ladies.
He's getting very spoiled, and I took him there's across the dog park by my house, there's a field where people go with their smaller dogs because the dog park, they have big rambunctious dogs and it's not a nice place for people with small dogs. So there's about 2 or 3 that, are standing on the field and the dogs run around and they talk. So I thought this morning I had some time and I would join them. So I get there with Charlie and the other dogs are all excited. They want to play. And he walks his ear walk. and as soon as they started to go like this, he went, and he's crawling at them and growling at them. And I kept on saying, go and play. Well, then he stood right against my leg and he went, and I was so embarrassing. It was like bringing a child to a party that doesn't want to participate, right? And sits on your lap and you keep on going, go. So the lovely lady said, what's wrong with him? I said, he's just very spoiled and he's like an Eimling, right? He's in total.
Oh my God. He's so funny. How old is he now?
No, that's the other thing. They said, oh, how old is he? I said, he's 9. They said, oh, only 9? Because he acts like he's 14 and done with everything.
Yeah,
right?
he's so funny.
And then I leashed him up again and we walked home and he was happy as chipper. Yeah,
because he's got you all to himself.
He's
true. So funny.
It's true.
He's so particular.
Yeah.
What a character.
What a character.
He's so cute. He's so fluffy. He's still not shaved, which is awesome.
Yeah.
He's got his fur coat on.
He had his beauty, his bath and his, what does she call it? Bath and tidy.
Bath and tidy. Oh
She
yeah, when she
tidies
picked
him
him
up.
up here.
Yeah.
Well, you look lovely. You have some new Ziska in your ears.
Yeah, is this Siska?
Yeah.
And then I got this necklace that kind of matches it.
Yeah, the majestic.
And I wanted to show it how it's a long one, but you can pull it up and then you can put it in your neckline.
Yeah, and
right?
it's beautiful in there.
And I love it.
Yeah.
And this top is beautiful.
This top is beautiful. We just have a few left. They're so pretty. And then there's also this green color too.
Yeah.
Which is awesome.
Yeah. And then, of course, my
Your
usual rings and
bracelets.
And look at you.
Well, I'm showing off the Caranguna belt because we've restocked them.
Yes,
so I wanted to show the ladies.
Yes.
And this is the perfect top to wear with it.
Yeah.
It's nice and open. And I love the ruche sleeve. I know you did the style video on it, but
Yeah.
this ruche sleeve is so cool. And we do have it in a gray color too, but it'll be nice and light for the summer as well.
It will be.
Be nice to take away.
True. And
this
I love
teal
this
color. It's beautiful. Yeah.
And then you picked a nice scarf.
Yes, beautiful. All right, so are we ready for our first shipment of Cut Loose? And they always do a spring and then a summer collection. So this is the spring collection. And I'm gonna pick one of my favorites.
Oh yeah.
Look at,
Oh, how cute.
yeah.
Oh, I like.
So a
Did we
beautiful,
have this before? I don't think so.
No, it's new.
Yeah.
This fabric they always do.
Yeah.
It's a nice little, it's very warm and fuzzy in here, but it's light.
Yeah.
But the stripe is so great. It's a navy, and then it's got this beautiful pinky flamingo color. And then the double stripe way is great when
Yeah,
going up
that's
and
nice.
down.
Yeah.
Very nice. So I
Drop
believe
shoulder.
it drops shoulder a little, yeah. And it comes in 2 sizes. That's where the drop shoulder comes in. So there's a small, medium, and a large, extra large.
Very nice.
Yeah, beautiful. So I'll lay it on Charlie's face.
He would probably just lie there and take it.
So cute. Navy is the color, ladies.
I'm so
Navy is such a
excited.
good color this season coming up.
I love it.
So this
it's
is
a
their
skirt.
classic skirt, the
Oh,
A-line
my
linen.
goodness.
So we did it in the navy this year.
I'm I'm very happy with that.
Yeah.
We did very well with these skirts.
Nice waistband.
Did we had to reorder last year? I
Yes, we
think.
did. We did them in black and white.
Love,
Yeah.
love.
It's a beautiful skirt.
Yeah.
Beautiful with that.
You're right.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
Beautiful. We'll have to style that up.
Oh yeah.
I'm going to call dibs on the skirt.
I didn't even have to ask you because I knew that was going to happen.
This
So-
is,
Oh, that's
look at this
nice.
color.
Oh.
Cashew.
Oh, I love it.
Ladies, linen pants. I know you love cut loose linen pants.
Oh yeah.
So we've done a little bit of a wider leg this year
Oh, I like that.
and a bit shorter.
Yeah.
They're going to be stunning. I don't know if they'll be short on us, but we are, 5'2"? I believe we're within an inch of each other.
Yeah.
I met with a lady here the other day, and when I saw her, she said, "Oh my God, you're so short in person." So for you ladies that are watching from afar, we are not too tall. We are,
No, but we
I
keep on
believe
saying
I'm 5'3" and Lucia's 5'2".
5'2".
Just so you know, so when you see the clothes on us, you can get an idea, because sometimes women say, "Oh, I'm too short. I can't wear that. I can't pull it off," because it is a wider leg. But you know what? Lucia's gonna rock it. She should definitely
You know
style
what
these up.
I really like what they did. This reinforced hem.
The big cuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It makes such a difference, you know.
It
This
is, it
hangs
does.
like just beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then nice knit waistband, no zippers, no buttons,
No.
nothing digging in.
Flats.
Beautiful. And pre-washed linen too, ladies. So that's what's also the beauty of cut loose.
And this is the linen that doesn't wrinkle. as
It
much.
doesn't wrinkle as much. No, it's a nice weight. And then we have another color here.
Wow. So we have three colors. No, we have the
Skirts in
the
navy. This is
Pants.
cobblestone.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah. We had cobblestone last year.
Yeah.
It works for a lot of women. But
For
these are
sure.
two basic palettes, which will be beautiful. This is
Beautiful.
a bit of a deeper sand, which is
This
great.
is gorgeous.
Isn't it gorgeous? And then this I chose to go with the skirt.
You're gonna style that, of course.
Yes. But I think this would also, you could rock it with the cashew pants.
Oh yeah.
Like
Oh,
that
yes.
navy with the cashew
Oh
would
my,
be stunning.
my, Tessa, I love this.
Yeah, so
Look
that
at
look
this.
would be so nice.
This is like a foxy boxy. It's short.
It's short. It's got a high low.
Oh my goodness.
It's really cute. And again, ladies, when I style it up, I'll show you with a dress, like with a bell dress. I feel like that's such an in thing.
Yeah.
It always looks so good when you have a
Yeah.
nice, sleeveless bubble bell dress, and then you wear these crop little
Love the long sleeves.
sleeve covers. Yeah. And this fabric's beautiful too.
Beautiful. Okay.
Yeah.
And what a beautiful navy though, because there's navy and navy.
There's navy and then there's navy.
And this is the navy.
This is the navy. So we have two beautiful basics to go with.
Gorgeous.
All the pieces.
Gorgeous. Gorgeous.
Nice
Look at
navy.
This, with this too, Tessa. Look. What a summer look.
Yeah, it's stunning.
Oh.
It's like, you know what this reminds me of? The teal in the grisas, the teal with the white.
Exactly.
It's so striking.
Exactly.
It's so striking.
Classic look. Right?
Yeah. And this is
then-
the bias cut, ladies. So this is
Yeah.
great. It's got a great
Yeah.
hang to it.
Yeah.
A-line bias cut, so it's gonna fit beautiful.
Here, I want to show the white on this.
Yeah.
Look at this for summer.
Yeah, beautiful.
This is summer elegance.
Yeah,
you know?
I can't wait for you
really
to
is.
style it. And with the navy skirt,
Oh my
wouldn't that be
goodness.
great?
Tessa, look at this.
I know, the white with the navy.
Oh my God.
And you could even have the little sweater over top with the white peeking
Yes.
under. Oh, we
my
got lots
God,
of ideas.
Look at that.
Yeah,
But look at the simplicity of this.
I know. Simplicity is best.
Less-
Less is more.
less is
We
more.
always say that. So this is a fun collection of fabrics. You're going to love it, ladies, and you're going to know exactly why when I pull it out. Polka dots. Oh my goodness. As you know, me and Lousje are crazy for polka dots. This is such a beautiful fabric. Let me see the content. I believe it's got to be all cotton. It feels like
It has
it.
to be.
Oh,
I
it's
like that.
60% cotton and then 40% poly. So
Oh.
it'll wash beautiful.
Look. This
Oh, the
is a
salmon, yeah. And this is a gray hue, so it's going to pick up the pants amazing as well.
Oh my.
So look how good that looks.
Look at
I know.
this.
I purposely bought the pants because of all the
Of
polka
this
dots.
polka dot flag.
The polka dots in all the colors are
Polka dot should
gray.
be our
Look at-
middle name. Tessa Polka Dot Oort. Really. ever since you were little.
Oh
You
my
know that?
God, I love polka. They make me so happy.
It's true. She
I have
has
pottery
everything.
polka dots. I have, oh my
I
goodness.
think even
my
your little
comforter,
garden shuffles.
my
and
garden
stuff.
shovels. My daughter bought me polka dot Kate Spade. That's why I love Kate Spade, because she has so many polka
She
dots.
does polka dot.
And my next adventure is going to be Kate Spade dishware, the polka dot dishware.
She
But it's
asked
quite
it
the
for
collection.
Christmas for me, but it was a
I,
little.
I wanted the utensils, but it was a fortune, and I thought no. But it was adorable. Look how beautiful that is. I know these pants are gonna go with all these polka dots.
You know, this is like a summer sweater. I have a few of these, and I wear them a lot because there's days where you want something cozy.
Yeah,
And it's
to
not
cover you
always
from
40
the sun
degrees.
too. A lot of
It's
women
true.
don't want their skin,
It's true.
you know, in the
Yeah.
sun. So
Yeah.
it's a beautiful.
And it's a natural fiber. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
So this is the 3/4 boat neck style from Cut Loose. So
And
we
these are sized.
Yeah, extra small, extra large.
Yeah.
And we've carried this style in the past in the stripe, if you remember, ladies. So if you like that
Yes,
fit, this
that's
is the
it.
new
Yeah.
fabric.
Design.
Yeah. And then here is,
Oh,
are
that's
you
a
leaving
different
us?
style.
Are we upsetting
Bye.
you? Is that what you did at the park? You
Yes.
kicked him in the butt? It's like
When we
when you
were-
used
when we were out
to
of
kick me in the
sight.
butt when I was little. My mom used to, you remember the spaghetti, like plastic spaghetti things that she would chase
yes.
me up the stairs, and I'll never forget, and whack that thing on my butt, and I would be so scared I would run so fast.
Because she was so bad.
I was not.
You put me through the hanger.
I was a terrible teenager.
That's right.
I'm sorry. I am not. My daughter's amazing, so I'm very lucky that she's not
Well, I
giving
think
me
your
the
son is going to
He's
make
gonna be the
give it to you.
terrible teenager. This style, I can't wait to show it on.
Is this a one size fits all?
It's two sizes:
Oh,
a
small,
small,
medium?
medium, large, extra large.
Oh, this
It's
is
got
cute.
great hang to it.
Oh, nice.
It's a high-low.
Yeah, slits.
This is the cashew color. So look, cashew with the gray.
Yes.
Stunning.
Wow.
Cashew with cashew.
Cashew? Where's cashew? I liked how they called it cashew.
So that's also wonderful.
Oh,
I know.
I love that.
Yeah. You could even put a white dress shirt under that.
Oh my God.
And then the
totally.
white would pop with
Oh,
the cashew.
Tessa. Even this sweater, I was thinking a white dress shirt.
Yeah.
The navy blue
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
with the collar up.
We do have more dress shirts coming in. Yeah, white shirts from
Are we?
from
Because we're
Liverpool.
low, right?
We are low. So,
Oh,
the last piece,
the same style. as
same
this one.
style,
Yeah.
in this beautiful basic color, but it says so much.
Here, look at this with the gray.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Oh,
That's going to be such a comfortable, yeah, you're going to look so well put together.
Yeah.
Some good jewelry. Maybe
Beautiful.
some bliss at the top,
Yeah.
some red to pop.
yeah, yeah. In the neckline.
Really cool.
Amazing.
Cool. I know.
So-
I think we nailed it with Cut Loose.
Yeah.
There's some great. We hope you like the color palette. So salmon, cashew, gray, cobblestone, and navy. We tried to pick hues that worked for a lot of skin tones.
Exactly.
Yeah, some
Yeah.
nice basics, classics. I feel like we're kind of like, what was that Kettle Creek? Do you remember?
Oh my goodness, with all the basics.
With all the basic colors. I always remember when you had your store in Puro, I
were
remember
next
you
door to me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you would, that was always the thing, like the basic colors and then a few
Yeah.
pops.
Yeah.
Right?
They had the pencil cases.
The pencil cases, I had a
And
few
it was
of those.
made out of canvas.
Canvas.
Remember?
Yeah. But that's how we sort of do it here at Lousje and Bean. We pick the classic basic colors
Yeah.
that are just timeless, really. And then pop it in with some fuchsias and
Yeah.
chartreuse.
And then you mix match.
Yeah.
Then you have fun.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, ladies. So watch out. Lousje's going to style it up for you tomorrow.
Yes.
Are ya?
Yeah, but you are too, no?
Yes, I would like to take dibs on the skirt. I just don't like pants as much as you do. And you rock them, so.
Yeah, you keep
Look at
saying
she's
that.
just sitting there like Charlie, like she's sad. Maybe that's where he gets it from.
Never. We had a comment. We had a comment on one of my Sunday couch talks.
Yeah.
And then some videos, and this lady said, "Why you always look so happy? How do you do it?" But really, Tessa, I am always happy.
She is always happy.
I wake up happy.
Always.
And I don't have to work at it, so I'm very fortunate. I thank my lucky stars every day.
I know,
But you
and
know, my
positive.
mother was always happy.
Yeah, she was.
She woke up singing,
Singing and dancing.
and dancing and whistling, and
Yeah.
So it's very nice when you have that disposition.
Yeah,
You know?
it's very true.
Yeah. Okay,
Okay,
lovelies.
Lousje, we took enough of your time today.
Are you back? Are you falling asleep? Have you come back to bed?
Who's made it to the end? Who's made it to the end?
Okay.
Okay, have an amazing day, and please like and subscribe. Put a thumbs up for the video if you liked it, and we'll see you
keep on
tomorrow.
smiling.